Hi, welcome to our virtual open house and welcome to Durham College. You know, a virtual open house removes us from our physical environment, but it's a reminder of just how important the people you're going to meet are to your future success. Our staff, all of us at Durham College, are dedicated to ensuring that you have the best possible student experience. We want you to succeed. The virtual open house is going to provide you with videos and live chats, opportunities to meet our dedicated and very talented faculty and staff. It's also going to allow you to learn more about how we provide student services and support you from the time you register to the time you graduate. And one of the best parts of the virtual open house is an opportunity for you to meet some of our current students and have a chance to talk to them about their experience at Durham College and their particular programs. So we just want to say enjoy it. Do as much as you can while online. Ask us questions. We're here to help you. We're here to give you one of the best digital experiences that you've had. Good luck. Hope to see you in the fall as a Durham College student.